You will be paid 61 cents for viewing one video. You will be paid 32 cents after viewing for 1 second. You will be paid 47 cents after viewing a third. By using the method outlined in this video, you can also make $2.48 per minute by watching YouTube videos. And all countries, including those in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, and the rest of the world, are subject to this. And at the end of this video, I'll demonstrate another method that will let you use this new website to create $600 in daily passive income. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Visit this website to learn how to start earning money online by watching YouTube videos as your first move. I'll tell you who owns this page in a second, but let me first show you how this website actually works. You can decide to watch videos such as TV programs, movies, commercials, YouTube videos, and other media in order to earn $1 per referral each time someone joins the site using your link. You can transfer the money to your bank account, PayPal account, or one of the other available withdrawal options as soon as you have the necessary minimum in your account. Over 1,500 companies, including those displayed here, have been collaborated with by this website so that you can always find new videos. If you're curious, click the About Us link in the upper right corner of the page to find out more information about our website. To use our website instead, just select the Sign Up button over here. At this stage, all that is required is your email address, password, birthday, gender, and first and last name. As you can see, my account has been credited with $5 as a welcome bonus after you hit the CAPTCHA box and choose New Account. That's wonderful. Now, let me show you how to contribute more money to your account. You'll notice that there are 5 videos available for viewing, beginning with the first. For watching the video that is presently playing on the screen, we will receive 61 cents. So let's click the play button to begin the video. As soon as we press play, we will see an advertisement. We simply need to close it in order for the video to start. Nevertheless, we only need to see the first 34 seconds of the film. While the video is playing, keep an eye out for the countdown counter that shows how much time is remaining. We simply select the complete button underneath the video when the allotted time has passed. The next time we simply close the new advertisement and select the complete button. A notification indicating that you have received 61 cents will appear on your dashboard once the transaction has been successfully completed. At this moment, all you have to do to get the money into your account is reload the page. As a result, as you can see, our account now has an amount of $5.61. You must now follow the same instructions for videos 234 and 235. Once we click on the second video, we will see another advertisement. We merely shut it down and press the play button once more. Wait for the video to conclude playing for 34 seconds before clicking the complete button down below. The next time we select the complete button, another advertisement will be shown to us. We will quickly close this one. After refreshing the website, we can see that my account balance has increased to $5.93. However, you must be aware that you are only able to view 5 videos daily. As a result, if you click on the first or second video again, a notice stating that it won't be accessible for 24 hours will appear. Do not worry, though I will frequently demonstrate how to earn $2.48 per minute. The second step is to keep earning $2.48 from just these 5 videos. Just create several profiles on this website. Creating 5 to 10 accounts, for instance, will result in each account earning between 61 and 56 cents in addition to 32, 47, 52, and 56 cents. And this will yield us $2.48 in less than a minute. In light of this, if you have 10 accounts, it will be simple and fast for you to make a total of $24.80 in a short amount of time. Don't worry if you don't have numerous email addresses. This additional tip will allow you to set up multiple accounts. I'll give you a short demonstration. But first, let me check out of my account. We can start the procedure of creating a new account by clicking Sign Up once more. On the following screen, you can simply enter a different first name, last name, birthday, and gender. When we get to the email address box, this is what you need to do if you only have one email account. In the past, we had used videomaster78901@gmail.com. Here's the trick. Just put a dot exactly here, and it will be permitted. If we try to use the email again, the website will notify us that it is already in use. As you can see, we recently created a fresh account with the same email address. Naturally, you are free to omit a dot from this email address at any time, including now. All of these variations are permissible. The good news is that all emails sent to the various email addresses I just provided will be forwarded to the initial email address, videomaster78901@gmail.com. That is how Google works. There's a technique that many people are presently not aware of that can generate $600 in pure passive income. You need to select the referral choice in the third stage by moving your mouse to the upper right corner of my account. Then, you can see that we will earn $1 for each referral that registers using our link on this website. Now, the website is accessible at wintop.com. I'll include a link to this website in the description of the film. The ability to access this website and start making money there is this easy. Let me now disclose the secret technique you can use to bring thousands of new visitors to your website who will register using your referral link, generating $600 in passive income for you each day. Okay, let's do this by visiting facebook.com. Let's move down a bit and select the group choice from here before selecting public groups right here. It will be simpler to locate various public organizations that are open to everyone with this. We can join the groups without anyone's permission, which is excellent news. We can easily join any of these organizations, too. For instance, if I click on this group over here, I'll be taken to this website, where a number of posts offer various ways to make money online. So all you have to do is create a post here that is identical to this one. As you can see, this person only posted a few hours ago. But since then, a substantial number of interested people have liked it and commented on it. Therefore, even if only 600 of the thousands of members of this group sign up using your referral link, you will be making an easy $600 per day on wintop.com. I'll now walk you through the best way to share this group's recommendation link on Facebook. So, let's hit this right away. I'll now say that by doing nothing more than viewing the website free advertisements, I was able to earn $80 from it. Simply make a comment, and I'll email the details to you. Let's search for the picture on Google using the phrase Wintop proof of payment. All of these images containing Wintop's payment proof will be shown if we select the images option here, given that we specified an $80 payment in our post. Let's choose this picture with that amount as payment proof. Save this picture to your computer. Once you're back on Facebook, click here to upload the picture you just downloaded. Consequently, this is how the article will look. Repeating this process in various other make money online Facebook groups will make you a lot of money over time, possibly as much as $600 per day. To start, all you need to do is attempt to sign up 20 to 30 new users every day. This will net you about $600 to $900 per month from a straightforward Facebook post, which you can then withdraw from this website. All you have to do is place your cursor over my account once more and select the withdraw option. There are basically 4 ways for you to withdraw your money on this page, which is where you'll be taken. Western Union requires a minimum payment of $100. Each of WebMoney, Payoneer, and PayPal has an $80 minimum cutoff limit. You only need to hit the withdraw button and set up your account to receive the funds once you pass the barrier. Making $80 is very easy if you consistently apply both of the techniques in this video. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.